Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kostulas, and today I wanted to show you how to set up your own social media advertising agency absolutely free. Today I want you to be able to take what you learned from this video and apply it and take action with it and go and try and get your first client within the next 30 days. Okay, so for those of you who do not know what SMMA stands for, it stands for social media marketing agency. I'm going to show you how you can deliver amazing results to business owners of whatever business industry that there is, and I'm going to show you how they can afford to pay you $1,000 to $10,000 per month on a recurring basis. So I'm going to bring you into my computer and I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started absolutely for free today. Alright guys, so let's start the presentation now. So, how to start a social media agency business today. So the name of my business is Balance Media Productions. This is my legal business. I go into businesses literally every single week trying to expand my brand and my video's ready. Alright, let's go back in. So let's get started. Let's have a 3-month game plan, okay? So month number 1, your assignment is to talk to as many business owners as possible. Sign them up for free trials to prove your worth. Now, you're probably wondering to yourself, how can I get these businesses great results? We're going to get into that. Be patient, okay? Month number 2, we're going to rinse and repeat the process. We're going to just keep getting more and more people under the free trial, because the more people that you have under the free trial, before you know it, the 30 days is up, and now you have somebody who has seen your worth and has seen you get their business amazing results. So they're going to feel obligated to pay you. You want to be in a position where you don't seem like a greedy, needy person where you're just walking in there asking for money right off the bat. Once you have the proof and the validation that you've helped so many different businesses, then you could start asking for money right off the bat. But if you want to get started today, I highly recommend the free trial. Just get them to automatically give you their Facebook, their username, their password. Let them trust you for a month. Let them grow some trust and see the value that you can bring to them, because then they'll have no problem paying you for years to come. As long as you can convince them within that first 30 days that you're worth it, they'll stay with you. So in the second month, I'm assuming you're going to get somebody, right? I'm assuming you have, a very hardworking mentality. You go into a couple of different businesses, you get 1 or 2 to do their free trial. And then by the end of month 2, you got to rinse and repeat the process. So now you're going to try to go get more clients. You're going to pick a different place, a different strip, a different business strip that you can just walk into and just talk to as many business owners as possible. But, like I said before, after month 1, once you get 1 or 2 people, then it's time to legalize the business and, get some contracts in place. It's very easy to legalize your business. Just go on LegalZoom.com. They'll take it from there. Month 3, now that you have multiple clients under your belt, then you can hire virtual assistants and salespeople. Now, I do have 2 virtual assistants that I pay to set up campaigns for me. So basically, if you guys just keep watching this video and you subscribe to my channel, you check out my playlist, and you binge a little bit, I'll show you how to hire virtual assistants and how to attract salespeople to your agency. So I got to tell you guys a little story first. So the way that I got my first salesperson was, me going on a regular pitch. I went to a business and it was just a pizzeria, and I went in there and I was just like, yo, is business owner here? We talked, I gave him my pitch, he loved it, and he ended up, not wanting the services for his pizzeria because instead he wanted to be a part of my team. He wanted to join Balance Media Productions, and because he's friends with so many other business owners that he sees more value in being an affiliate for me. So now, while I'm sitting here recording this video for you guys and just talking into my computer, I have people talking to business owners for me, signing them up for me. Like, I'm literally averaging, 3 to 4 new clients every single month. It all comes down to just having a system in place and just knowing how to talk to business owners. It's really that simple. So, as you guys can see, the 3 videos on the right, these are 3 videos that are on my YouTube channel. These 3 videos are on a specific playlist, how to start a 6-figure business today. You guys could literally watch these 3 videos today, take notes on them, and this is exactly how you can get those. This is how you can get results for the clients that you've just signed up for your free trial. So I show you how to set up the Facebook ad in the middle video. I show you how to create the viral commercial. So basically, I'm going to show you how to get the best results possible. You need the Facebook ads to make the viral social media commercial. And then in the video on the top, I show you guys, just simple ways to talk to business owners. I break it down for you exactly 5 different ways that you can get a social media advertising client. So you guys can definitely check out those videos. I'm going to post cards and links to this playlist, so that'll be in the description down below. So what do you need to learn first? You need to learn how to talk to people confidently. Why did that leave? Hey, what's happening? Why does this why would they make an animation where it just leaves? I'm trying to explain and it just leaves. All right, well, I explained to you guys. The pictures explained it. So let's just get into the next slide. I'm never using that animation again. Okay? All right, so let's get into the why these people will pay you. Okay? This is the most important part. You need to understand that every single business in any industry have a long-term value of one happy, satisfied customer. For a restaurant, for example, the long-term value of one happy, satisfied customer is $6,620. Now, that's a lot of money. That is a lot of money. So think about it. If you could create a viral commercial that gets over 60,000 views for a restaurant, what are the odds that new, happy, satisfied customers are going to come from that commercial because they've grown that trust and rapport with the brand? Think about it that way. Think about it for a dentist office. What do you think the long-term value of one happy, satisfied customer from a dentist office is? Exactly, a lot. What about a real estate agency? What if you can capture leads for real estate agents? What if you can capture leads for a chiropractor, a physical therapist? There's so many different industries and businesses that need somebody that can handle their social media. So if you go back to this slide, I show you in these 3 videos exactly how to get these people results, no matter what industry it is, okay? So, let's go back to the next slide. Oh. All right. You want to increase their brand awareness. Now, if you could be the person to increase their following on their Instagram and Facebook, they're going to love you, and they're going to keep you forever from it. They're going to get so addicted to the fact that they're growing 300 to 400 new followers every single month. What they see is, wow, these are probably happy, satisfied customers going forward, right? Why would they follow your restaurant online otherwise? So you could show them the analytics. You can be like, listen, I'm really increasing the crap out of your brand. Like, look, here's the proof. And then they'll be like, okay, you know what? This kid makes a lot of sense. I apologize, guys. I'm not feeling too well. I've been sick the past couple days. All right. So why will they pay you? Because you are worth 10 times what you are asking for. Having a social media agency and being in charge of somebody's digital marketing is the future of all advertising and marketing for all businesses. This is a cutting edge trend. The people who take advantage of it are going to become extremely wealthy, but I don't know how long this entire window is going to last. So the people that take the most action will be able to, to what's the word? Just benefit from this little social media gold rush. Because if you think about it, it really is a gold rush. Like every single business is really starting to realize now, like, holy crap, Facebook is everything to my business. Instagram is everything to my business. All businesses are realizing this now. So I highly suggest that you take initiative and that you just start your own agency. I show you step by step in this video how you can do that. And if you guys look in the description of this video, I show you, a playlist of exactly how to get started. So you have that roadmap so you don't feel lost, okay? So if you guys have any questions at all about how to start your own social media advertising agency, do not hesitate to message me on Instagram or to email me back. I have, everything's in the description below. Click that little link tree. It'll send you to all of my stuff, my free passive income ebook, my free scripts that show you exactly what to say to business owners. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm posting daily of different ways that you can, make money from your passion. So here's just one way to make 6 figures in 2018. Starting your own social media advertising agency is honestly the way to do it. This is how I'm doing it. I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you consider subscribing to the channel. All right, enjoy the rest of your day.